Good day, everyone. Alice here from Sophie Financial Network. Today is October 5th, 2023. Here is another daily analysis, another um, kind of like a follow-through bar today for S&P 500. And it was kind of like the confirmation for this reversal, but not strong confirmation. We are stuck still in this ending diagonal here, and market needs to just to getting back above this 4,300. A strong candle to be upside. That would be kind of like a helpful. Otherwise, it's gonna be just a dead cat bounce, and probably we will see a lower low. I think market is just waiting for tomorrow's data from NFP for months of September. Market is looking for bad news, and that's going to be the rhyme right now. So bad news is going to be a good news for a stock market, and good news is going to be a bad news. But again, so that was based on previous assumption. Market can go to either direction tomorrow, regardless of data. So technically, we are just looking at a reversal is happening. I'm just looking for some levels. Here is very, very important one, which is 43.22 to 4,400. If we get a kind of like a good reversal to the upside, we need to recapture this pivot, which is kind of above 43, let's say 60. So if we get above 43.60, which we capture this, we need to hold above this, and then pull back. It could be a kind of like a buying opportunity for the next target, which is going to be next important level 44.57. So all in all, when I just look at the chart, I'm just looking for this kind of like a breakout to the upside. However, we need to get above this level strongly and hold it. Then pull back could be the next buying opportunity if you are bullish for a longer term. So if you're just for the short term bullish, we can see kind of like a sizable bounce all the way up to 4,400, and then 4,400 market is getting to the decisive moment. Right now, we are just at this stage that we are just looking at kind of like a rally to the upside to 43 to 4,400. So we will see how it goes. Moving on to Nasdaq, which was kind of like better today, especially um, mid-session. It was like getting into a positive territory, but coming back down. So Nasdaq shows up some kind of like a good price action, I should say, prior, kind of like a hopeful prior NFP data. So still, we are just looking for this, which is 14,900 to 15,000 area. So if we get above this, that could be kind of like next supply area right below 15,200. So 15,200, that's going to be a decisive moment for Nasdaq. Lots of resistance is going to be there. If you get close above 15,400, I should say we are just getting back to the bullish momentum. But right now, we are just going with level by level, stage by stage, and we will see how it goes with the market. Stochastic wise, we are just getting to another buy signal from MACD, but stochastic, we are just getting to kind of like in no man's land right now. If we get to the overbought condition and we hold up above this area, so probably bullish momentum is coming, something like this. So any crossover there, that could be dangerous, but right now we are just slightly I should say cautiously bullish for the short term, especially this type of pattern. The one that I'm seeing here, kind of like a W pattern is forming, but with this W pattern, we need to have a breakout above a 15,000 area for the first stage. So we will see how it goes. Moving on to Dow Jones, which is a US 30, ended up positive slightly today. So not about price action. Again, higher low with this decisive reversal here. Still down, needs to take out this pivotal point, which is kind of like a very, very important 33,700 to 34,000. That area is very important for Dow. So still we can have rally and stalls out after that, or rally just engulf and getting buyback here from some supply demand traders to the next supply area. So the two scenarios are going to be a probable scenario or foreseeable scenario. But right now, I'm just looking for this wave, this upside wave, and we will take from that one what type of position we should take after that. So right now, we are just looking for a bounce to 34,000 area-ish. Moving on to individual names, so starting with yield at another downtick today. So it's nice to see yield is coming down. It's kind of like a cool down, and after a while, yield is getting below SMA 20. However, needs to get back to here to 4.90, and then we will see how it goes. Because as long as it is above this 4.90, I should say 4.80, you're still in bullish momentum or bullish trend. But if you get below this for 75, for 76, this should be a sharp sell-off all the way down to here to sub even 4%. So yield can go down sharply when there is a good news for a market or bad news for a rate. So in case of pause or in case of very, very bad data from NFP, yield can just spike down to the downside. So we will see how it goes. Yield was kind of like a doji bar, but treasuries just got another 43 cents loss today. So still not a good price action for treasuries. Needs to have a better momentum to the upside. Right now, it's just struggling around 70, 84 to 80, $85 ish. So treasury absolutely smashed recently. So we'll see how it goes. Gold just another bearish bar today. So $1.22 down. Still just forming a bearish consolidation. I'm not favor of this pattern because this pattern tells me that probably if we take out this pivotal point, we can go all the way down to here to 1730, 1720, and then we can go all the way down to 16, I should say 1680. So that is the level that I have, not here, here. So we will see how it goes. But right now, gold needs to have a better momentum to the upside and needs to close above 1860 if he wants to get back to the bullish momentum. Crude just a smash today, coming down another 2%, getting into $82, looking for 78 to 81. So that's the area that I'm looking for. Crude VIX coming down today. It was kind of like positive early session, but shooting a star confirmation that VIX can go lower and at least can go all the way down to $15, $16. Dixie coming down, coming along with a yield still in uptrend, but if it goes below this 105, that could be ugly, and that can go all the way down to sub 100 level for Dixie. Moving on to Magma indicator. Magma indicator, not a bad price action, so it's hold up. Dragonfly Doji bullish momentum or bullish flag is holding up pretty well, so it can have another pop to the upside to 1097. So we will see how it goes. Apple just $1.25 change to the upside, not a bad price action at all. Amazon $1.04 change to the downside. Meta 79 cents down, still bullish momentum, bull flag is forming. Microsoft 41 cents up, not a bad price action even after hours. It goes just a bit higher. So we will see how it goes. Google just the 17 cents down. Not a bad price action, just holding up above this trend line. And we need to see a better price action. If it takes out this pivotal point, it can go all the way to $150. Netflix week today, so $4.31 down. However, buyer just came back a bit. Still forming in this ending diagonal. If it gets above this 396, I should say, that is very, very important level, and Netflix can go all the way up again to middle of this wide range bar, which is 420. Tesla just $1.11 down. Not a bad price action, holding up for now for the doji bar. Moving on to semiconductors, which was absolutely zero change based on today's price action. So doji bar, nothing special happening. Everyone is waiting for data tomorrow. Stocks just $2.29 down. TSM 36 cents up. AMD $1.16 down. Not a bad price action for AMD. This bullish consolidation, if it goes higher, it can just be a repeat price action. This is kind of like a weekly price action. It is kind of like a forming a nice bull flag. And if it goes above, I should say 110, it can be a repeat all the way up to $118. So we will see how it goes for that one. NVIDIA just the $6.47 up. Not a bad price action again. So this bull flag can have another spike to 460. Texas Instrument coming down sharply today, $2.86 down. It's getting into interesting area. So Texas Instrument, we should definitely keep an eye on this. Lam Research, $6.55 down. Not a bad price action based on the pattern. I know it was kind of like a 1% down, but pattern still could be a bullish momentum to the upside for, I should say, $40. Moving on to XLF, which is a financial ETF. This one reversal confirmed. A nice price action getting into this demand area. It can go all the way up to $33.50. KBE 56 cents up. Not a bad price action at all. KRE the same. So just reacting, touch this demand area and getting back to the upside still needs to go above $42. Then we can see some bullish momentum accelerating to the upside. JP Morgan 45 cents down, but not bad price action. It was ugly. I just tested SMA 20 and also this wide range bar. That's the most important part. So it gets to demand area wide range bar, and we should see some kind of like a movement to the upside. Goldman, $1.90 up. Bank of America, 12 cents up. So when banks are showing reversal, probably we'll see some kind of like reversal is happening for the market because banks are going to be sensitive to interest rates. So if interest rate goes down, a bank would be beneficiary of that one as well. So Wells Fargo 33 cents down. Moving on to gold miners, which kind of like a detached from gold price. Gold miners are showing reversal while gold price is not showing the reversal. So this is catching my eye right now because gold miners always leader and always just going leading ahead of the gold price. GDX 41 cents up, GDXJ 34 cents up, AEM 97 cents up. So all miners had a positive day without exception. So Newmont, 92 cents up, a pretty good price action. Look at the reversal. Again, no exception for gold miners. They were all ended up to the positive territory. Franco-Nevada, $2.24 up. Gold Barrick, 17 cents up. Pretty good reversal in demand area. So gold Barrick again forming a nice bullish momentum. Moving on to XLE, which is Spider Energy, 53 cents up. Down, but sorry, candle was positive, 53 cents down. It just go to this breakout level. So this is kind of like buyers are gonna come it back again, and seems like they came back regardless of crude price. They hold up pretty well. XOP 17 cents up, OIH $1.61 down, Exxon $2.51 down, Chevron 86 cents up, Oxy 62 cents down, and rig 20 cents up, just touching this demand area and nicely reversing back up. So this is catching my eye right now. So we should see some kind of like a bullish momentum is coming, probably as just a dead cat bounce or kind of like a bullish momentum for energy stocks. So energy stocks and kind of like a miner, gold miners, they are kind of like a leading ahead of those commodity names. So we will see how it goes if they want to follow up with the miners and stocks, or they just want to have like a dead cat bounce and coming down. Okay, that does it. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.